Hello, in this video we will be graphing absolute value functions. There are 3 steps to graph absolute value functions. Before we go into the steps, that's the formula. Step 1, find the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is given by the opposite of that. The opposite being x equals, since we have a negative h, the opposite would be positive h. Then we have the vertex. The vertex is given by using the h and the k. So whatever we get here, we put it as the x value for the vertex, and we also use the k value for the y. After that, we will find 3 points close to the axis of symmetry and reflect them to the other side. Our graph is going to look like a V or upside down V. This depends on the letter A. A is bigger than 0, that means positive. The graph opens up. A less than 0, negative. The graph opens down. Let's start practicing getting the axis of symmetry. I will abbreviate as AOS. And the vertex. The vertex being a point. The axis of symmetry being a line. So we start with, for the axis of symmetry, we need to get the opposite of that. Notice here's the h, so it would be opposite is 3. That same 3 goes right here. And then we have to take care of the y value in the point, which would be 5. Same for the other ones. X equals, and then the vertex. So x in this case equals the opposite of that, which would be negative 2. This negative 2 also goes here. And then we take care of the k, in this case the negative 1. Same for the last one. Notice the last one has a fraction, but that's only going to play a role whenever we start graphing. The axis of symmetry is that the opposite of 3 is negative 3, which we also put here, followed by k, which is negative 2.